Okay, next we're going to play Song of the Fjords. And so we are down here. Let's go through and let's do our counts. This time, instead of saying our beets and melons, let's do our numbers, okay? So we're in 4/4 time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our quarter notes get one count. Our half notes get two counts. And we have one quarter rest right here. It gets one count, just like a quarter note. Okay, let's go through and count this out. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, shh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Pretty
now let's
easy.
go through and say the letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G, C, B, A, A, A. Sh. G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G, C, B, A, B, G. Okay, now let's get our instrument, and all
Let's
of our
play.
notes are up here in the top part of the instrument. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. That's a nice little piece. Did you notice the first few measures sound like another song? Do you know what that is? Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. Practice, practice makes perfect, perfect.